survive and to be able to maintain and retain our life, we need to eat something, we need to drink something. And whatever we get in our stomach, there are certain things which are essential, which are very important. Water, obviously, there is no life without water. Then there are carbohydrates, there are fats, there are proteins, there are vitamins, there are minerals. So these are the essential nutrients. Carbohydrate is a macronutrient. Proteins are a macronutrient, and fats are the macronutrients. Vitamins, minor micronutrients. Minerals, micronutrients. So we are going to talk about one thing that is a macronutrient that is called fiber. Fiber is also one of the very essential important items for our life, one of the very important nutrients. First of all, we are going to talk about what are the major benefits. There are five very important benefits of fiber. Then we will talk about what are the sources of getting the fiber. So, what are the five very important benefits of fiber? First of all, it is the timely movement of bowels. Whatever we have eaten, whatever we drank, whatever we eaten, it have to be excreted from our body. We do have to defecate, and the intake of fiber will help us a lot in moving our bowels on time. Number two, it supports the gut bacteria, good bacteria in our intestines, in our guts. So the fiber help a lot in the survival of those gut bacteria, healthy bacteria, which are very important for strengthening our immune system. So that is very, very important. Number three, it is the, as for the fiber is concerned, the fiber actually, it reduces the LDL, the bad cholesterol. It reduces the LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, and it can be reduced with the help of what? With the help of fiber. The fourth major benefit, it help us a lot in reducing, in maintaining the weight, body weight. The fifth and the last major benefit, our intake of fiber helps us a lot in reducing, controlling the blood sugar level. Five major benefits of fiber intake. Fiber is one of the very important nutrients like carbohydrates, like proteins, like fats, like micronutrients, minerals, vitamins. So is the fiber. So, my dear friends and fellows, five major benefits of intake fiber: timely excretion of whatever we have consumed, whatever we have eaten. It will be defecated. We go to the toilet, we excrete it by the bowels movement, and it is because we have eaten the fiber. Second major benefit, it support our gut bacteria, good bacteria, which is very important and which actually boost our immune system. The third is the intake of fiber. It actually helps us a lot in reducing the LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, help us a lot in reducing, minimizing the LDL, which is the bad cholesterol. The fourth major benefit, that it helps us a lot. Fiber intake help us a lot in not increasing our weight, in maintaining our weight, body weight. The fifth and the last major benefit, it helps us a lot in controlling the blood sugar level. I'm talking about the fiber, which is one of the macronutrients, one of the very important nutrients I need, you need, everybody need. Now, what are the cheaper sources of getting the fiber? What are the cheaper sources of getting the fiber? First one is oats. Oats, and it is easily available. It is cheap. Here in Pakistan, India, it is called jaw and oatmeal without sugar. Eat it, cook it in the water, eat it in the breakfast. Oats, one of the biggest sources of getting the fiber. Second biggest source, it is the legumes, it is the beans, it is the lentils, all type of lentils, all type of beans. So these are very good. Chickpeas are very good, like kidney beans, red kidney beans, very good indeed. And for getting the fiber ingredient, then it is found in the whole bread. Don't remove the outer part of the grain. That is very important, it contains fiber. Now it is the brown rice, and now it is the fruits and the vegetables. Fruits like apples, like bananas, and the vegetables like carrots, like broccoli, like cauliflower. Very useful indeed. And then it is the psyllium husk. Psyllium husk, that is also very important, and it is the one of the best sources of getting the fiber. So my dear friends and fellows, I repeat that macronutrients, there are macronutrients like carbohydrates, like protein, like fats, and this fiber is one of the macronutrients. Then comes the micronutrients like the vitamins, like the minerals. So intake of fiber, very useful, very beneficial. It is essential for each one of us. Thank you very much.